Hey YouTube, it's NowIAmNappy and I'm back for another Tip Tuesday. Now this week I'm featuring the herb Aritha, and it is one of my favorite herbs I use to naturally cleanse my scalp. Now Aritha is known as the soap nut because it has saponins in it, and that helps to gently remove dirt and oils from your scalp. Now you guys might have seen me use it previously in a henna mix, and again in a rice water mix with a clay. And so it can be used a number of ways, but I'm going to show you how I make my favorite mix. All right, so let's get to mixing. Begin with 3 tablespoons of Aritha powder. Next, follow up with 1 tablespoon of hibiscus. I then add about a 1/4 cup of aloe vera juice to my mixture. Next, I add water just to remove any of the clumps or lumps that may be in this mixture. And as you notice that the mixture has begun to foam up a little bit, and that is from the saponins in the Aritha. Okay, now that the herb is finished mixing, I have it right here. I'm actually going to rinse my scalp first, just as I would if I was normally going to shampoo my hair, and section my hair into 4, and then come back on to show you how I apply it to my scalp. Okay, so I just rinsed my hair, and now I'm going to use this mix and focus it mainly on my scalp. You want to massage this gently into your hair to help lift up any dirt and oils. Feel free to give yourself a nice little scalp massage. Okay? Now just continue this process all over your head. Okay, now that I've left the hibiscus and Aritha powder on my hair for about 5 to 10 minutes, I'm ready to rinse out and show you guys what my clean scalp looks like. Okay, now that I've rinsed out all the Aritha, my scalp feels really, really clean. Just want to see if you can see it. Hope it comes out on camera. It definitely is ready for some conditioning. It does leave your hair feeling like the oils were removed, so go ahead and condition with your hair as you would as normal. And that's it, you guys, for this week's Tip Tuesday. Leave a comment down below if you guys have ever tried Aritha. Let me know your mix if you want to share your recipe. Also leave that in the comment section. Don't forget to check out the blog where I will mention all the benefits of using Aritha in your regimen. And also check out my Instagram, NowIAmNappy. And I'll see you guys on my next week for next week's Tip Tuesday. Bye.